Does Discord keep logging you out for no reason? Having to sign back in every time you open the app can get frustrating fast. Whether it's caused by corrupted data, account security checks, or app issues, there are several fixes you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to stop Discord from logging you out repeatedly. First, review your account for any suspicious login activity. Discord may automatically log you out if it detects unusual access from a new device or location. If anything looks unfamiliar, change your password immediately. Next, make sure Discord is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes contain bugs that affect login sessions and account stability. Corrupted cache files can interfere with saved login data. Clearing Discord's cache removes temporary files and allows the app to create fresh ones the next time it launches. A weak or unstable internet connection can sometimes interrupt authentication and cause unexpected logouts. Restart your router or switch networks to see if the issue improves. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily. Frequent IP address changes can trigger Discord's security systems and lead to repeated logouts, If Discord still keeps logging you out, uninstall and reinstall the app. A fresh installation can resolve persistent bugs and corrupted files affecting your session. And that's how to fix Discord when it keeps logging you out. By checking account security, clearing cache files, and updating the app, you can usually stop unexpected logouts in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully you're staying signed in from now on. Thanks for watching.